welcome back to my channel. Any good silk press starts off with really good deep treatment, a good wash, steaming. As you can see here, I did that at a salon, but usually I have my mom do my hair, and voila, these are the results. I am starting with freshly washed hair, did a little bounce with the curling iron, but we're going into bed and we are doing some heatless curls. The first thing that we want to do is go ahead and section off the parts in 3 is what I wanted to try first. So you'll see me demonstrating here. We are rolling forward and securing the ends. So these are the foam flexing rods. I would say they're like a medium size, and my hair is just about shoulder length, a little past without, the little bounce there. But we are grabbing now the middle section, and then we are also rolling that forward. Now, I tried this the first night, and you'll shortly see that I liked it. It did have some layers and bounce to it, voila, as you can see. But we are gonna see shortly how this turned out. Now, depending on how you want your style to look, you can definitely do this method and still achieve a nice flowy blowout look and results in the morning. We're still good, but I just wanted a little more oomph. I wanted a little more bounce. I wanted a little bit more curl. And so we secure everything here. I used first a silk scarf. That happened really fast, but then I put my bonnet. Right now I was just spraying some Amika shield spray. And we are tying that, securing, and then going back and doing the second method of the tie down with the silk bonnet. And we are ready for bed. This is the next morning, and now we are taking out for the grand reveal. We are gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this weightless oil from Vegamour on our hands, as you can see here, to do the takedown. And this is what I mean with, we do have that kind of like flip, that like 90s flip. Look at body. It's a lot of volume though, which is what I loved. A lot of curl definition. And then this is the last section here. And really you want to shake out the curls, okay? You want to shake it out. I loved this side, it was amazing. And just fluff out the hair, get it to your desired look. I was trying the side part, middle part. I ended up going with the side part, which I loved here. We are bouncy, we are moving, and I loved it. And this is where I wanted to try more curlers, more foam rods in the hair for the second time around. So we're just doing the same thing, oil in the hands, and of course you can see there are more rods. We're gonna do the takedown now, and you're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about with this look. A little more curls, a little bit more bounce. Also, side note, second day hair is always a little bit more. See, I am so excited. Second day hair is just amazing. You get more of that look that you're going for, a little bit more body. It's a little smoother because now we have like good product in the hair, and it's doing what it needs to do. I'm really feeling this hair. I'm really loving shaking out my curls and the movement. And sometimes it is a little hard to sleep, I won't lie. The rods can kind of get in the way, especially when you want them, to do their thing. But I am just absolutely loving the second day curls. We're just gonna go ahead now and fluff it out and comb it out with a wide tooth comb. And as you can see, it has a lot of luster, a lot of bounce, a little bit more definition because we added the more of the rods that made the look really come together. I end up just doing my side part. I love the look, and the stage of where my hair is at, I have a lot of layers in my hair just because I had to do a really big trim. It was needed. But I'm loving the end results, and I feel like a 90s baddie, you know, period. Love y'all.